Your organization is funding benefits that most employees will never fully use. That is not an enrollment problem. That is a systems problem. Underutilization doesn't happen because employees do not care about their benefits. It happens because the system around open enrollment was not built to set them up to choose well. The underutilization problem has 3 layers. Each one requires a different fix. Layer 1 is financial stress. Employees who are financially overwhelmed cannot evaluate options clearly. They default, they skip, they pick the lowest premium, and move on. The fix here happens before enrollment opens. Financial wellness programming 60 to 90 days out that stabilizes the stress so employees can actually think. Layer 2 is the enrollment experience itself. Even financially stable employees struggle when benefits communication is dense, jargon-heavy, or dumped on them 2 weeks before the deadline. The fix here is communication design, plain language, real cost comparisons, and enough time to process. Layer 3 is leadership visibility. Most organizations do not measure benefits utilization precisely enough to know what is being left on the table. If your leadership team cannot see the gap, they cannot fund the fix. The fix here is a utilization framework that connects underutilization to organizational cost, something leadership can act on at the budget level. These 3 layers connect. Fix the financial stress and the enrollment experience improves. Improve the enrollment experience and utilization data gets better. Better data gives leadership the case to invest in the solution. To learn more about financial wellness programming for your organization, visit financialfootwork.com.